Do you know why wise people always say to live life like a wolf? Wolves never perform in the circus. Unlike other animals, wolves don't mate with their mothers or sisters. There is a special wolf called the righteous son because it is the only animal that honors its parents. When they reach old age and can't keep up with the pack for hunting, the parents remain in the den, while the younger wolves hunt for them and bring them food. As humans, we have a lot to learn from wolves. So if you aren't following, then you'll probably never see us again. If you are, congrats, you're growing every day.